Mic check 1 2. Let me ask my boy Gemini again. Hey Gemini, what is a good strategy to do gig apps like Doordash, Uber Eats, Grubhub, Amazon Flex, and so on?
Navigating the world of gig apps like Doordash, Uber, Grubhub, and Amazon Flex requires a strategic approach to maximize your earnings and efficiency. Here's a breakdown of key strategies. 1. Multi-apping. Diversify your income. Don't rely on a single app. Running multiple apps simultaneously increases your chances of receiving orders and filling downtime. This allows you to cherry-pick the most profitable orders. Order management. Be mindful of overlapping delivery times and distances. Prioritize orders to avoid late deliveries. Familiarize yourself with each app's interface to quickly accept or decline orders. 2. Optimize your time and location. Peak hours. Understand when demand is highest in your area, e.g., lunch, dinner, weekends. Focus your efforts during these peak times. Strategic locations. Position yourself near popular restaurants, shopping centers, or high-demand areas. Learn your city's traffic patterns to minimize delays. Time management. Track your earnings per hour and identify the most profitable times and locations. Take breaks to avoid burnout and maintain focus. 3. Vehicle and expenses. Fuel efficiency. Use a fuel-efficient vehicle to minimize gas costs. Track your mileage for tax deductions. Vehicle maintenance. Regularly maintain your vehicle to prevent costly repairs. Consider investing in car accessories that enhance comfort and efficiency. Expense tracking. Keep detailed records of your expenses, gas, maintenance, mileage, for accurate tax reporting. 4. Understanding each platform. Doordash, Uber Eats, Grubhub. Focus on fast food and restaurant deliveries. Pay attention to tips, as they significantly impact earnings. Amazon Flex. Involves delivering packages, which may require larger vehicle space. Understand the block system and optimize your delivery routes. General tips. Pay close attention to each application's rating systems. Customer satisfaction is very important. 5. Safety and customer service. Prioritize safety. Be aware of your surroundings and prioritize safe driving practices. Avoid distractions while driving. Excellent customer service. Maintain professional communication with customers and restaurants. Handle deliveries with care and ensure accuracy. Good customer service can lead to better tips. By implementing these strategies, you can increase your earnings and create
My boy Gemini nailed it. What's up, Ernesto? Yeah, customer service called me. DoorDash called me. See, why did you eat DoorDash non-tipper, Van? I was hungry, shit. What's up, Ernesto? Once a fuckboy will always be a fuckboy. You're not allowing my fucking live stream, bro. You want my attention? Comment on my regular videos. Horizontal, please. Them shorts don't pay much, okay? Comment on my horizontal. That's where the money's at. Alright, on to the next pickup. Let's go. Snowing today. Snowing.